Hi everybody, today's art class is all about collage and looking at Matisse's artwork. A collage is an art form using cut paper, and here is Matisse in the early 50s. And now you need to start by painting some pieces of paper just with one color. So here I'm just painting it blue, and notice how I'm going back and forth in just one direction and using the tip of my paintbrush. Keep adding more water so that my paintbrush glides across the paper and I get a smooth finish. I'm using watercolor, but you can use any paint you have. And then I'm going the other way so that my paper is really smooth. You notice my paper is curling up. That's okay, just try to hold it with a finger if you can, and it will be okay when it dries. Here we have, so I'm going to do 4 different colors on 4 different pieces of paper. You choose the colors, it's up to you. I'm looking at the work of Matisse and using a similar color that what he's used. Now you need to let it dry, this is really important, and then turn your paper over and start drawing some shapes. I'm using shapes from nature, so I've looked at plants around my house and I'm trying to copy those shapes. And I also looked at Matisse's artwork to be inspired by that as well. Now it's time for cutting out. When using scissors, please use scissors that are appropriate for your age and also for the size of your hand. So you might want to use some round-tipped scissors here. You need to cut around your shape roughly so it's easier for you to cut it, and then you can cut out the details. Notice how my hand with the scissor, it doesn't move, it stays, so I keep the scissors away from me, and with my other hand I twist the paper around so that I can cut it in the right shape. So one hand is turning the paper and the scissor hand is just staying, it's not moving, and it just keeps the scissors away from me, and that's the safest and best way to get a really nice cutout. Once you've cut out all your pieces, it's time to assemble them in a nice way. So really think about how you're going to assemble it to create a beautiful artwork. And then once you've done that, you are ready to cut it. I'm using PVA glue and a paintbrush, but you can use any glue you have. Make sure your hands are clean when you do this, otherwise you're going to get loads of marks on it. And also make sure you glue all the ends really well, because you don't want to have some little pieces that stick out. That's not going to look very nice. And just tap it lightly so that everything is well stuck. Brilliant! I can't wait to see what you do, and have fun. Bye!